Hey YouTube, I wanted to make a quick little video. I'm having some trouble with my e60 M5. It's not starting. I was driving it normal the other day, and when I was at a stop sign, as soon as I accelerated, I was in conservative mode, 400 horsepower. I heard like a line burst in the transmission area, and the car just died on me. So I'm gonna take it in. I just wanted to do this little video. Maybe you guys are having something similar to this. Uh, the car will try to turn over, but it won't start. So I'm assuming it's a fuel pump or a fuel line or something. So that's all we get. Alright, so I'll take it in and I'll follow up with you guys and see what the problem is. Thanks.